We have approximately 38 routes. Which would consist of somewhere around 638 trips per day, Monday through Friday. I'm Natiya Bennett, Chief Service Center Operation Officer. The greatest challenge that we have is trying to collect all of the information from the 8 different contractors that we deal with. SACON is our GPS system that connects us with all of our contractors, and it is like revolutionary for us in our department because it allows us to do our on-time performance reports, to expedite our responses to customers for customer service, to be able to monitor our schedules and make adjustments as necessary based on traffic patterns. So like we can use the system to go and see, was the bus late? Did it start on time? Was it a missed trip? So we can answer some of those types of questions for our customers. It also lets us know if a driver had to get off the prescribed route for traffic issues such as accidents, or if we needed to detour in the downtown DC area. Communication with our customers is very important for our job. Our customers really do rely on us giving them timely, accurate information, and we're able to answer customers typically in the same day, whereas before it would take maybe 2 or 3 days depending on what was going on for the contractor to respond back to us. Fun part of my job, honestly, is the staff that I work with. We have a very small team, but we're a very close team. There is some room for laughter, fellowship, but we also know when we need to be serious to get the work done. But I would say it makes it really enjoyable coming to work, having staff that we really work well together. We're an excellent team.